Hi guys, we're here today again with another
dance tutorial. Just before we start, I want to let you guys know that we got some microphones because last time we did a tutorial, you guys couldn't hear us well. So, voila, we're gonna teach a dance we've done a couple of times. It's based on the 50s, 60s rock.
Good old times. Whenever we dance to this song or any other 50 rock songs, we kind of mix and match the steps, but basically those are the steps we always put on, and that's what we're gonna teach you today. Are you ready to rock and roll?
Let's rock.
The dance consists in two parts, a slower part and a faster part. So we build up the stamina and the confidence. Okay, so we're gonna start in the right foot, going front, side, back, step, change. Front, side, back, step, change. Second part only. Back, step, change, back, step, change. And we're gonna kick both legs going around.
And while going around, kicking our legs, we're gonna do the opposite arm up. So, up, opposite arm, opposite, and opposite. All right?
So, in the second part of it, we're gonna start right with the same step, but a little faster. When you do it faster, we don't touch the floor, correct?
No, we don't.
So when we do it faster, we should be more grounded.
Yeah, and then we do a tiny little jump as we kick,
Side,
step,
back, step, change. Front, side,
back, step, change.
Got it?
You
and
got
then
that?
The second part. Back, step, change. Back, step, change. This time we're not gonna kick around. We're gonna cross this leg in front and we go around like that.
All right?
Okay.
I think we got it.
And then there's another part to it.
Yes, and make sure you can come back to this later, so, revise as many times as you want. So the first part is the slow motion and then a little faster. And now we're moving forward. We're gonna go to the third part of the choreography. We're gonna tap the right leg.
Front.
And then back.
Back.
And then twice in front. One and two. All right?
Same thing with the other leg.
Same thing with the left. Front, back, twice, front. And then we're gonna go around. Is that right?
And then we're gonna kick around one more time.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay? So let's revise everything from the beginning quickly.
Front, side, back and change.
Front, side,
back and change. Back and change, back and change. Kick around, and the faster. Back and change, front, side, back and change and cross. Front, back, 2 times front, back, 2 times front, and we kick around again and having fun.
And that's it.
Da, 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 da.
We hope you guys learned with us.
We hope you're dancing with us. This time around, you can do by yourself, you don't need no one, or you can fill the room with people and you all can dance together.
And remember, we did this outdoors because, here in New York, we don't get the weather nice like this all the time, but most of the time, we're dancing in our apartment. So feel free to dance in your living room, your bedroom, you can learn this anywhere.
You're gonna hear me talking about that all the time. You should have fun. When you have fun, you're learning anything you want and you're having fun. This is the video with the music on, and you can use any other music. Maybe you do it slower, maybe you do it faster.
Sure.
But now you know the drill.
We hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a comment, like this video, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already.
And we'll see you guys in the next tutorial or in the next video.
Bye!